This 2025 Grand Design Reflection 296 RDTS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Nacogdoches, Texas, 75964 and is offered for sale by Genuine RV and Powersports. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 33 feet 10 inches in length and features a river rock interior, sleeps 4, smoke detector, self-contained, air conditioning, oven, external shower, slide-out, spare tire kit, carbon monoxide detector, microwave, TV antenna, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Grand Design Reflection 296 RDTS is 8,014 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.